This video explains what a theme is. A theme is a coordinated set of design settings that controls the overall visual appearance of a file. It brings together colors, fonts, and styles into one unified system. A theme matters because it keeps visual design consistent across an entire document, workbook, or presentation. When you change the theme, the visual style updates together without changing the actual information. A theme is not the same as manually formatting one piece of text. It is not a layout template that controls structure, and it is not the content of the file. A theme controls appearance and applies a coordinated visual style across the entire document or presentation. You do not need to memorize this. You only need to recognize when a design style changes across slides or pages. You usually see themes in applications like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. A theme applies across the whole file and can even be shared between Office applications. When a theme changes, elements such as headings and charts update automatically. This diagram organizes the idea of a theme. Use it as a reference if needed. If colors and fonts change together across an entire file while the content stays the same, that is the effect of a theme.